Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already started a topic related with our first flight. That's the title Nelson Mandela. Regarding previous discussion, I have already provided you a lot of facts, ideas, informations related with that very topic. I try my best to highlight the characters related with that very story as well as few forceful statements also. Today, I like to provide you the exact summary of that very title. So all of you carefully, minutely and seriously focus my today's video and follow me. Now brief summary of this story. South Africa remained under the British rule for more than 3 centuries. Since 1948, a very cruel policy of apartheid was followed by the white rulers. According to this policy, white and non-white people were kept separate from each other. They were educated under separate systems and were kept in or out of certain areas. The blacks of Africa bitterly opposed such racial discrimination. At last, after a long struggle, democratic elections were held in which Nelson Mandela was elected as the first black president of South Africa. On May 10th, 1994, Mandela was sworn in as the president, and there were wild jubilance among the blacks of the country. In this lesson, Mandela recalls briefly how this day was celebrated and his feelings were at the time of those celebrations. He says that courage is not the absence of the fear, but the triumph over fear. The brave man is not he who doesn't feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Mandela's suffering had indeed made him a man of courage and character. My dear students, on the basis of that very chapter, Now we are in position to accept the fact so boldly that even if we have a determined feelings goal in our mind, at any cost we would be succeed to achieve the goal. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.